Weche manyien kwa dhi mbele Teri Kaluo kama tendo Osiptal mar Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral maong'ere ni Russia sani koro oyango ni gionge kod ng'ikruok moro amora e thieth kokalo kuom manyien mar thieth mar SHA. Jata tije Dr. Richard Lesiampi wacho ni jotuo ithiedho ma onge ng'ikruok moro amora ahinya to jotuo man kod tuoche kaka kansa kod kata bero mag obwongo. Bende oyango ni onge jotuo ma imako kendo idino negi osiptal kanyo ni bilo tamogi chulo kaka ne timore ndalo machon.
I know there is a lot of talk outside there, and I don't want to get into that politics. But what I can tell you for free is that since we started, we at the National District Referral Hospital, we have embraced the SHA. We have encouraged our patients to register as SHA members. In fact, if anything, our staff personally, actually register them. For us, we have not had a single challenge after November when it comes to SHA. All our patients, in fact, most of our patients, even who go through very, very, expensive surgeries like neurosurgery, the issue of brain surgeries, tumors, and spine surgeries, the cost has been 300,000. All of them have been treated, and we have been reimbursed that money. So we have not experienced those challenges. I know there are a few teething problems here and there, but I think in our hospital, we have not had those challenges. In fact, if anything, the number of patients whom we used to waive or give credit has come down from almost 70% to now 15%. So in fact, the issue of our burden on waivers, as actually, it does not exist.